Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 3690. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your Conga 3690 not charging properly, you're not alone. This problem can arise from a failing battery, often due to age or excessive use. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable. To tackle this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Conga 3690. First, ensure your device is turned off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by gently prying open the casing of the Conga 3690 using the plastic spudger. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once the casing is open, you will see the battery located near the bottom of the device, secured with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws holding the battery in place. Be sure to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them for the new battery. Next, gently disconnect the battery's cable from the mainboard. Take care not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connectors. Now, remove the old battery from its compartment and place it aside. Grab your new battery, ensuring it matches the specifications of the original. Insert the new battery into the compartment and reconnect the cable to the mainboard, ensuring a snug fit. Once everything is secured, replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently without overdoing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the battery, carefully align the casing back onto the device and press firmly to snap it into place. Finally, turn your Conga 3690 back on and check if it charges properly. If everything is working well, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to avoid letting the battery drain completely on a regular basis and consider replacing the battery every couple of years to maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.